is our half-day camp. It's called Full Steam Ahead. It's basically where we invite 3rd to 5th graders to the high school to learn STEM and lessons taught by high school students.
This camp is to get students interested in STEM, which they might otherwise not have an opportunity to.
So they have 4 different lessons that they do throughout the day. Of those lessons, there's a variety of STEM topics.
Over here, we were doing copper tape circuits. So we were taking an LED and we were using some copper tape to connect it to a little coin battery and make the LED light up, just to teach the kids some basics of electrical and how electricity works. And it gives them like a cool little drawing. We have some coloring sheets with like pumpkins and lighthouses. So when they folded the corner over, the LED lit up, and it's just really fun.
So this was about Scratch, but it was also about teaching kids what coding is about and what it does, and also just teaching kids around this wonderful engine, because it's a great learning tool for like introducing people to software and coding, and there's so many things you can do with it that I thought that this was a good first lesson to introduce them to it.
So they were experimenting with oobleck, which is a fluid that is both a liquid and a solid depending on what you do with it. I think it's kind of interesting in terms of things always just don't like fit in the neat categories like liquid, solid, gas. There can be interesting things between the groups, and there's always like worth experimenting and like playing with the rules there.
So this specific station is laser cutting. So we teach them how laser cutters work, and then they also get to assemble these elephant boxes. So these are the different pieces. They get to glue them together, all while learning how a laser cutter works and what it's useful for in robotics and outside of robotics.
The reason we do these camps is because it's not only a great fundraiser for the team, but it also is a great way to spread STEM throughout the community. And so we bring out our robots from past competitions in order to be able to interact with the students and help them get a chance to see what robotics is like and maybe where they might want to end up in a few years.